To our tail, again we will start with white yarn, twisting around the finger, making our magic ring, almost the last one. Here we are. Miss. Let's go again. 2, 3. Why it's happening? Because here I forgot to twist and then grab yarn, and here's a knot. So right now in our magic ring we're gonna put just 4 single crochet, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first row is done. So making it tight together. So this is first row of 4 single crochet. After that we're gonna do our increases, 4 increases. It means in each our single crochet we do 2 single crochets. So let's do it together. 1, 2, so 3, 4. So I did 2 increases. So 3, and the 4th increase. Right now we should have 8 single crochet on our back row. That is, for our 3rd and 4th row we continue to doing just 8 single crochet around, so without increasing or decreasing. So 1, 2, 3. So 8 for 3rd row, 8 for 4th row. See you there. After that we're gonna change to our yarn, the color. So to do so we are grabbing some yarn like this, and on the top we're gonna put another color. So here we are, and then we're gonna cut the end of our white yarn, and then end of our ginger yarn we're gonna tie together with a knot. I usually do 3 knots, like 1, 2, 3, and then from this point the 5th row began, and we're gonna do 8 single crochet in our 5th row, in the 6th, in all the rest rows we're gonna do 8 single crochet till our 18th row. So I put this yarn, which is our ends, inside and gonna do just single crochet. So we need to do 8 single crochet in our 5th row. So this is 1, 2. So and continue doing so till 18th row, just 8 single crochet around one by one. So we're near the end of our 5th row. There are a couple more single crochets left. Give me 1 second to finish them. So just trying to do it as tight as possible, but I prefer to do as tight as possible, but it's up to you. So this is the last single crochet for our 5th row, and then when our 6th row is begun, I would prefer it inside the other ginger color thread. So just grabbing the loop, and over the loop I put both of these ends just to hide them inside of our crocheting. Here we are. Let me show you again. So just grabbing the loop from the row. Here I put these both ends inside, taking the yarn and making a single crochet. So one more time, putting the hook inside our next loop, which is this one, putting our ends over on top, and making our single crochet. So, and continue doing this 6th row till 18th row, 1, 8. So it would be our tail. This is the tail. Please leave enough length of yarn to attach to the main body. Our tail